When the liner Empress of Asia reached New York Harbor early in September, she had one of the most remarkable passenger lists of her career, I should think, for she brought from Europe representatives of most European nations, soldiers, sailors and civilians, refugees, evacuees, and men who intend to come back here and carry on the fight.
After being in 3 months prison in Naise camp in Norway, we managed to escape across the border to Sweden. The most of the boys got there by skiing, and Stockholm was the capital where we guarded. And then afterwards we left from Stockholm to Port Suez, where we were picked up by the Empress of Asia. And we have had a good journey from there, and here we are in good old America. I'm going to fight for Norway and its freedom.
I escaped from a Nazi prison camp in Norway on my good old skis, you know, and came now into freedom again. And I'm going back to Norway and fight until Norway is free.
Hey lads, I came from Turkey, the snow.
I came from Yugoslavia.
I came from Turkey.
I came from Serbia.
We came from Greece. Palestine. Palestine.
We're 4 Australians. We were on an English destroyer and sunk off Crete by dive bombers. We were swimming around the water for about 4 hours and were picked up by another destroyer, and at the moment we're on our way back to England to pick up another ship.
That smart young organization, the Women's Auxiliary Air Force, is now actively engaged